machiegni club mag Gor Mahia mamako thuolo mokwongo e chung' mag klebe mag lig maduong' ma pacho ka biro rwako club mag KCB chieng' Jumapil e tugi mogiko dirani madhi nyime gi points 3 machwalogi machiegni gi okombe. Komachielo club man Naibois United maniyudo ka tuke mag CAF Confederation oduogo e tuke mag lig kama gibiro rakore gi club ma Bidco United chieng' makiny. Shabana biro rwako Tusker e pap mag Gusii kinde ma FC Leopards tugo gi Posta Rangers e lap manyayo. Murang'a Seals biro tugo gi Bandari, Kariobangi Sharks rwako Mathare United lap ma Police Ground chieng' Jumapil. Jaloch season mokalo Police biro tugo gi APS Bomet ka Jo-Sukari ma Mara biro tugo gi jolweny ma Ulinzi Stars.
I expect the boys to be lively in this game and fight for the 3 points because we really need to get some point to increase our confidence. So this match will be very important for us to win it. Honestly, the boys have really tried. Getting 25 points first leg so far, it's quite a job.
As players, we are ready. We know the task ahead of us, and we haven't been performing at our expectations. But tomorrow, we want to give our best to see that we get maximum points. Yeah, it's a big lesson for us as a team and as players. We know the task ahead of us.
Kapod wantiere tuke mag KPL, jatugo Joe Irungu ma tugo ne club